What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student at a Broward County location, Broward County, Florida. We're gonna run through the driving test real quick. He has been practicing, he's pretty good. So we're just gonna run through it one time. And again, just for update, the examiners are not getting in the car. They tried that for a couple of weeks. A couple of people caught COVID, so they're not in the car with you. You gotta have someone in the car with you that is 21 or older. Someone has to be in the car with you. It doesn't matter how old you are, unless you had a license from a country other than US. Say if you had a license from, say, Jamaica or any country, you can sit in the car by yourself. Otherwise, you need someone with you. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Pull it, the steering wheel, pull it all the way left, away from the curb. Park the car.
Put the car in park.
Yeah, pull the emergency brake and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, again, if you're parked facing uphill, you turn the wheel left away from the curb. What else do? You make sure the car is in park, put it in park. You pull up your handbrake and you turn off the ignition. Now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Go ahead, signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Again, they're doing this to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn is working. They will not do the test if those things are not working. Alright, so again, they're gonna be standing over there talking to you, right? On the phone. They're gonna call you on the phone. The person sitting beside you, by the way, cannot say one word. If the person sitting beside you say anything, they will disqualify you. Alright? Alright, so now they're gonna say reverse and go to the left. So look behind you. Reverse. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, then I want you to stop and turn all the way to the right. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. Now they're gonna tell you to pull up here and straighten up and stop. So they'll tell you when to stop. They'll give you step-by-step instruction what to do. Well, directions really. They won't tell you how to do it, but they'll tell you what to do. Alright, stop about here. Now they're gonna tell you to reverse straight back. So make sure you look behind you and roll straight back. Until they tell you to stop. Alright, stop about here. Now the next thing they're gonna tell you to do is to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Just make sure you're on your right side. Right now you're kind of in the middle a little bit. So speed up to 20 and then sudden stop. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright, go around the corner. And they're going to tell you to stop as soon as you go around the corner. So they're gonna say stop about here, stop. Now they're gonna tell you the next maneuver is to park in between those poles. So go down and park. Stay close to your right side. You're going to signal left. And you're gonna go down and line up your mirror with the first pole and then park. I'm gonna show that this time. I usually don't show that, but I'm gonna show that. Stop right here. You see the mirror lined up with the pole right there? Now turn all the way left and roll into the parking space. As you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Okay, that's good. Alright, put the car back in reverse. And you're gonna reverse and go to the left. That's what they're gonna tell you. So as soon as your mirror is past the pole, turn all the way right When your mirror is past the middle here, you stop. See the middle line? Your mirror is past the middle, you stop. Put the car back in drive. Pull up next to the white line on the right side. The next thing you're gonna do is the 3-point turn. Close to the right. And we're gonna do the 3-point turn here. So you're gonna stop close to the right side here, stop. Signal left, turn all the way left. You're gonna go forward, you're gonna stop before you hit that curb. Stop. Put the car in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look behind you and reverse. And again, you're gonna stop as soon as your mirror is past the middle right here. See that? Yeah. Alright. We're gonna go to the stop sign down here and we're going to make a left turn. Alright. Make sure you signal. If you don't signal, by the way, you're gonna lose 4 points for each one. So make sure you signal every single time. Make sure you stop completely. If you don't stop, you don't pass. So you stop, you count. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. So they're gonna tell you to make a left and then make a quick left. Alright, and then basically the test ends here. As soon as you go around this corner and straighten up, pull forward, the test ends about here. So they'll walk up to you here and hand you the paper, right? And the test will be done. How do you think you did?
Good.
You did great, actually. Yeah,
Okay.
you didn't get any faults. I feel like you did 100%. All right, so yeah, that's it. He's fine. He's gonna pass. He's gonna get 100%. I'm pretty sure.
Of course.
All right, go around the corner. We're gonna end this video. I'm gonna show this line. Yo, the line at the DMV is ridiculous.
Nice.
And I mean, honestly, comparatively speaking, compared to like last week, or I said 2 weeks ago, it's pretty good. All right, go ahead and make your right turn. It is pretty good compared to what it used to be, but I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick view of what the line is. It is now 6:56. Go ahead. So we got here this morning at 5:30, and at 6:56, this is what the line looks like. I'll show you. Alright, make sure you come to a complete stop, buddy. Alright, go ahead and make it right. So this is the line. This is the back of the building, people. So keep going.
Go out the front.
Yeah, we're gonna make a left and then we're gonna go up to the front. Alright, stop completely. Go ahead and make your left turn. Look at this. This is the line. This line is crazy.
Just when we get here, it was just like a few people.
Exactly. So if you're trying to get your driver's license and you show up at the DMV at this time, it's going to be a very long wait. All right, look all the way down there. See that? All right, go ahead and make a left here. All right, make a right turn.
Right here?
Yeah, park up next to Mr. Vernon. You guys remember this car, don't you? That's my other car. The original yellow car. Turn all the way, right? Guys, straighten out and stop. Alright. Alright, so like I said, you know, he's gonna pass. I'll tell you guys how he did on the test when he's finished. Again, there's my other car. Sean! Say hi to the video, bro.
How y'all doing, man? Best in the game. How you doing?
I'm good, sir.
Alright, so that's my son, Sean. He's on board with me at the school now, so look out for his videos. Alright? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.